Hey y'all, this is Lori. Hope everyone had a wonderful and blessed weekend. I've got a pretty good haul, and so I thought I'd get on here this evening and share with you all what I've gotten. So let's get started. First, this is the only thing I got from Joanns. I've been wanting me a border punch and I just didn't want to pay. So I had a 50% off coupon, because usually when they have the coupons in the app, these will be on sale, but it wasn't. So I used the 50% off coupon plus military rewards. I think that's what was used with it also. Anyhow, so that was the only thing from Joanns. Then just a couple of items from Michael's. Again, I had the $5 reward. So I found this ribbon that was on clearance in the Martha Stewart section. I think it was $1.40 or $1.60. So I think that'll be pretty for next year. And I also got a big thing of diamond dust. And it was not on, well, it wouldn't have mattered anyway, I don't guess. You could still use your $5 reward with it or without it. Anywho, I got a big thing of this, and I know if I'm not mistaken, this is made of fine glass, so I know you have to be careful with it. If this is the same stuff I'm thinking of, and Miss Sheila from Country Girl First Crafts has got me wanting that. So anyhow, I got that. And so that was it with the Michaels and Joanns. Now for Hobby Lobby again. I found this punch here, the scallop tag punch, for $4.99, regular $19.99. And I found this on clearance for $1.74, regular $6.99. And I have not the faintest I don't know. Anywho, I don't knit, crochet, or anything. So, and I got these eyelash buttons for 74 cents. And some more of these brads here, the gold ones, for 99 cents. They have been regular $4.99. And I think I got 4 of these. 1, 2, 3 of them. No, okay. 2 of these. The more of the gemstones, the purple ones, for 74, and these 2, 74 a piece. And they finally put out a South Carolina stickers. So for those that don't know, we're doing a memory decks swap in Dina's Facebook group, swap group, and I have been looking everywhere for the South Carolina stickers or what have you, and my printer's been acting up. So, and finally, when I went back in Hobby Lobby, because the slot form was empty last week, when I went back in yesterday, it was filled up with the South Carolina. So I was happy to get those. And then a small corner rounder. I found that for $1.74, being $6.99. And a large corner rounder. I've got corner rounders, but I figured they were on clearance and they were cheap, so I got them. And what else did I get? Oh, I thought that these were on I just looked and seen that it said Paper Crafts. I thought it said Paper Studio. And I ended up paying full price for these card bags. But that's all right. I'll get my money back out of it. Selling the cards. And then I found a pack of 50 sheets, just one-sided odds and ends sheets from Paper Studio for $5.99, so it wasn't but $3. And some of it's okay, and I love that black, and I'm not going to sit here and go through every 50 pages of the cardstock, but it's got some pretty paper in there. And that is it as far as the craft stores is concerned. Put these back. I don't know when. Does anyone know what Hobby Lobby is supposed to be putting on clearance next, or when their clearance ends? I know that the paper is not on clearance anymore. It was on clearance a couple of weeks in a row, a couple of weeks ago. So, anyhow, I would love to be able to get more paper. Okay, so, yeah, I tidied up, so I'm trying to stay tidy. Let's see. Next is the Dollar Tree. I found that they have the square phone mounting squares, so I got just one pack of those, and then 4 packs of the round phone mounting dots. Again, not from my Dollar Tree. And I got 3 of these organizers here. And put them in the shelves or somewhere and put stuff in them. And a pack of stickers. Got me some more double-sided tape. I like their double-sided tape. I think it does good. And some thankful napkins for Halloween. For Thanksgiving. And that Dollar Tree had in some of these butterflies. So, I got me a pack of them. And I think that's it for the Dollar Tree. I'm saving the best, which is in this bag, for last. And I got an email from my Tuesday morning saying that, I'm sorry, please excuse me for the rattling while talking, saying that they had restocked their craft section and yada yada, so I headed over there too. And got 4, I found these. This is A Very Merry Christmas. I like it. I love it. The papers and it's vintage, and when you see what's in this bag, you'll tell what my style is. I like some modern stuff too, but I love. And then this one is Santa's Workshop. I'll just open this one up. I don't think I've seen it. It's, well, it's Echo Park. Yeah. But they had a bunch. They had a section and had all kind of beautiful autumn paper. And I had some in my buggy, and I thought, no, I'm putting it back because I've gotten 3 paper pads and I've got a little bit, so I just put it back. But it was so pretty. Okay, here we go. Oh, I just loves my secret ingredient. That is so cute. Dear Santa, define good. That's cute. And the reindeer, they're just in the truck. And everything's just real vintage looking. Now let's see what kind of paper they have. That's pretty, like a snow blizzard. And then the other side, that look at those Christmas trees. I hope we get some snow down here in the south. Sometimes, there's been a couple of times we got a lot of snow. And that holly, I love that. There's the red truck. It says North Pole. I guess the tree came from the North Pole. And I love, look at that. That is, it's not your typical, it's stitched buffalo check, whatever you want to call it. It's stitched, and that is so cool. I love it. Look at Santa. There's Santa Claus. Wow. Getting excited for it. Some snow. Paper on that. And oh, look at the vintage ornaments. I can remember, in fact, I've got the first ornament that my mother and daddy bought together, and one from each of my grandparents' tree, and they're old. Especially the one that my mother and daddy bought together. It's a silver, and my daddy gave it to me a few years back. Told me I could have it because that was the first ornament that always went on the tree. Was that one that they bought together. Okay, these wreaths, aren't those pretty? Oh, might just skip fall and decorate Christmas. Snow. There's some more ornaments with some little houses and, oh yeah, cut aparts. Look at, oh, look. There's always room for everyone on Santa's nice list. And I love that one. That's cute. That is so cute. And that is it from this one. Okay, I'll put that open with you. Okay, now this one is A Very Merry Christmas. Did I get my... What was that? Oh. I've seen a couple of people do this one, so I'm not going to take it out. But if you'd like to see it, just let me know and I'll come back and I'll do it. But it's very vintage too. Look at that card right there. It kind of reminds me of the Jetsons. But I love it. I love everything vintage. And okay, put that away. And then we got, I like this one. I'm assuming I love it, but it's called Christmas Delivery by Cartabella. And it's more of it's vintage with a farmhouse. Look at that, the old post mailbox. My town, they do a Dickens of a Christmas, which I doubt they do it this year. And everybody that's involved in it does dresses like back in the old days. And they have it's very vintage feeling, and they have the nutcracker, and I just love it. Look at this paper here, the wood, the paneling, wood paneling. Oh, look at that. I love that. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And then some snowflakes on the wood. Like that. And the Christmas presents. That is so cute. I love this pinstripe. Just like the candy cane feel to it. But what I was getting at was that old post mailbox. Kids can go in this department store and they can get them milk and cookies and whatnot, and write a letter to Santa and put it in the mailbox. It's like snow in a cloudless night. And that plaid, I love that. That is so pretty. And then this one, see that? That's pretty. That's like the black, but with the white or cream color background. Now, this with these catapults. Aren't those cute? And that's that one. It is starting to finally cool off here. And this one is Oh Holy Night. I think I'm going to love this one. Oh, yeah. Well, I'm not going to open it right now, but you can tell by the stickers right here what the paper and everything would be like, because I've got a lot in this bag right here. Yep. Okay,